Welcome student. Today once again we have to solve another problem based on profit and loss attribution account. Go through the page number 1.107, question number 28A. Here in this particular problem we emphasize the concept of commission which we are going to pay to the partners before charging and after charging, concept of distributable profit, and in what ratio we have to distribute the profit after all allocation to the partners. So this is a very good question having some concepts, plus it may come in exam for 4 marks according to new provisions developed by the CPS. So there will be probability of 2 mark questions based on profit and loss appropriation account. First, we go through the problem. What is that? So let it be, see the problem, X and Y partners sharing profit in the ratio 3:2. So in this particular problem, their profit sharing ratio is given. Deed is clear regarding that particular ratio, that was 3:2. Their opening capital is given of X 2 lakh and Y 1,50,000 respectively. Again, deed is clear regarding the interest on capital. Firm will allow 5% per annum. Now you have to emphasize this point. X is entitled to get a commission of 10% on net distributable profit before charging his commission, while Y is entitled to get a commission of 10% on profit after charging all commission. So X is before charging and Y is after charging the X commission. Net profit for the year ending 31st March before charging interest on capital and commission amount 46,650. Prepare profit and loss appropriation. So what is the profit is given? Your profit is 46,650. We have already written by net profit transfer from profit and loss account 46,650. X and Y, they are entitled for interest on capital at the rate of 5% per annum. We are having opening capital of X and Y. X contributed 2 lakh and Y contributed 1,50,000. So let it be 2 lakh into 5%, 10,000 for X, and for Y 1,50,000 into 5% we will get 7,000 value. Now X is entitled for commission at the rate of 10% on distributable profit. What is distributable profit? We are having net profit 46,650. We have to deduct the appropriation part. And here the appropriation part is, यहाँ पर क्या है? Interest on capital है 46,650 minus 17,500. This 29,150 is your distributable profit, and X is entitled for commission 10% before charging, that was 2,915. You have to calculate like this: 29,150 into 10 by 100, 2,950. Y entitled 10% after charging commission. So what is our distributable profit? 29,150 after deduction of X commission. Sorry, before deduction of X commission. Now after deduction of X commission, our distributable profit would be 26,235. And here Y is entitled for after charging. And in after charging, what we have to do? 10 upon 110, we will get 2385. This is your divisible profit, 23,850. How we get? From 46,650, we have to deduct the all allocated items. We will get this 23,850 and their profit sharing ratio is 3:2. So 23,850 into 3 by 5, 14,310 for X, and 23,850 into 2 by 5, 9,540 for Y. Any doubt in that particular problem? It's a very simple. Profit is given, rate of interest on capital is given. In this specific problem, इस प्रॉब्लम में जो मेन एम्फेसिस और फोकस किया था वो किस पर किया था? कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ कमीशन. Is it clear? Before charging, directly we have to calculate by the percentage. After charging, whenever is there, percentage upon 100 plus percentage, and all adjustments should be considered. After that, whatever the distributable profit after charging commission should be calculated on that particular. So, any confusion in that particular problem? You don't have any problem. If any problem, number of time, every lecture, you have to ask the problems you face and when will you face the problem. If you solve the questions. Okay, it's not a vacation season. Here, gradually we have to do something, we have to make a justice with the syllabus. So every time I can only request you, do the sum questions, definitely problems will come. Go conceptually, so we can make a justice with the specific, our favorite accountancy subject. Thank you. Tomorrow we will solve another problem. Bye.